You're a higher secondary NCERT student? Whether it's CBSE, Kerala syllabus, or any other board, your textbook has hundreds of pages. Your notes are scattered here and there. Nothing feels organized and it's confusing. You keep thinking, where do I start? How do I start? And how am I supposed to remember all this? You spend hours studying, but still feel like nothing is getting done. But what if I told you something interesting? What if you could make everything simple, clear, and logical, and actually study in less time with better results? Hey, this is DHILK, and I'm here to show you exactly how that works. Instead of studying for long hours, you start studying smart, and you finish faster with real understanding. You get complete recorded classes for every chapter, along with guidance not just on what to study, but also how to study effectively, how to approach a chapter and break it down. You can learn at your own pace and revise as many times as you need. Along with that, you also get exam-focused sessions, previous year questions, and special classes designed to help you score better. Every week, you'll have live sessions to clear your doubts and solve problems. And even if you miss a session, you can always watch the recordings. You'll also get well-structured notes, smart revision techniques, and simple tricks to remember concepts easily. In fact, you'll be able to revise entire topics in just minutes. And if you ever feel stuck, you can even get a personal mentor, someone who guides you like a friend, based on your level and your needs. And the best part? Plans start at
just $6.99. It's affordable in price but powerful in concepts. So don't wait for tomorrow. Start today, because every day you delay is a day you fall behind. Master Chemistry with DHILK. You won't regret it. And there's a special offer. Refer a friend and both of you get 10% off. For more details, contact us at 8075 224905 or visit our website.